up, guys? Hey, if you're like me and you're into the automotive scene, automotive photography, videography, all that kind of stuff, or just mucking around in the garage, mucking around with your cars, trying to record stuff, trying to video call people and have people talk you through what you need to do, I've got a tip for you. The 3-footed monster. I've got 2 of these bad boys. But yeah, I mean, the great thing, if you can see on here, you've just got so many options. You loosen it off. You can pretty much move it wherever you want. You know, I can set it like this, you know, to sort of get it on the side of the car. You know, I can rotate it to wherever I want it to be. It's a brilliant device. You know, I can record at any angle. You know, motor shots. And if you come in here, you can see that it's spring loaded, which is great. So you know, there's movement and it'll curve right around the vehicle. Brilliant. Doesn't leave any marks after I pull it off. It's great. I can also, you know, when you're trying to get those money shots, because you want different shots from what other people have. You know, always a great shot is, you know, the butterflies opening wide up, the blower belt doing its thing. You know, it's amazing. I can do anything with this. You know. Once again, pulls off nice and simple. All right, if we move over here to Mayhem, so this is a 1973 X8 Coupe. Once again, the mount comes in very handy. You know, I said I've got 2 of them, you know, I like to record everything, so I vlog everything. So I had a few issues with my linkages and stuff on the carburetors. Called up my mechanic buddy, FaceTimed him. So you know, we put the old phone adaptation on the 3-footed monster. And so he was able to sit there and work and watch what I was doing, tell me where I was going wrong, and help me fix the problem. You know, there was no trying to hold the phone while I, you know, tried to solve the problem. So it made life very easy. So another great little thing about the 3-footed monster is they have these little, I don't know what you'd call it there, but they're perfect for attaching lanyards or whatnot too. So just the extra benefit, you know, for when I, you know, put it in stupid places, I can also secure it. So if it was to come loose, it would, I wouldn't lose the monster as well. I mean, there's really no end to the uses in the garage, on the car. I mean, there's so many things, and there's not just GoPros. I mean, you could put a light on this. All right, so in summary, I mean, I can't really recommend the 3-footed monster enough. It's a great little device, perfect for the automotive scene, perfect for on your vehicle, perfect for in your vehicle, perfect for in the workshop, the toolbox. Yeah, I'm going to cut to some action clips of me using the monster in action. So just, yeah, roll on. I just thought I'd do a bit more on the old 3-footed monster. So we're on the side of the burnout pad now, and the versatility is fucking awesome. Look at that. You can literally put these mounts anywhere.